at him. Oh my god, look on my stream real quick before we move out of here. Oh, it's funny, it's worth it. Hell yeah.
Reloading.
His body is like through this floorboard. Oh shit. Oh wait, hold on. Let me get on. There we go. Do I have to sit next to the dead body though? He fell off. Where'd he go? Wait, is he still over there? Oh yeah, there he is. He's dancing. He's dancing. Bro, his body just glitched out, but it's still hanging on. You see that? He just splatted him with the chopper and I don't know. Oh! What the hell?